What's up guys, Miguel here with another video. This is for the strong arm strut support on the 3rd gen 4runner. This is what it looks like. My OEM 26-year-old strut supports have failed, and I figured it's time to change them out because when it gets cold they kind of like sag and drop down, and I don't want to get hit by the trunk on my head. Basically, it's a very easy install. You remove this clip. I used a hammer and a screwdriver to pop out the, what is that, a bolt or a pin? And the installation is basically just the reverse of it. These do fly out. Use a pick, and see if we can get this installation done in real time. Let me see. I don't like to edit my videos, so basically we can put this camera down over here, and let's see, down a little lower. All right, so take the pick, and then you can pick out the clip. Don't lose it. Other side, there's another clip. You basically take this is a P1 screwdriver, Phillips, and I'm gonna pop this one out on the bottom. Did not see where that went. Oh, let's see what's going on over here. Found it. That's what I'm talking about, how these things fly out. On the back, on the installation of this, you gotta see that there's a square part on the strut and a round part. Basically, the little screw pin or bolt has a square part over there, and the square will go inside just like that. I have some pliers over here to squeeze it in later on in case it doesn't reach. That's what I had to do on the other side. Just a little bit though. I did that one for the top, and that piece was actually for the bottom. Another thing that I did was when it was down earlier, I did just support it with my head. Top one just popped off, no hammering necessary. And then now I get to pull it off and put this one on just like this. Comes off. Bottom one on, slide the top one on. Top part is on, and then now I'm going to be installing the clip back on. I like to push it in with the screwdriver because my fingers are all busted up from just working. All right, there's the clip. Second part on the bottom. You can just kind of like mess around with it until you can get it to go in. Square part needs to be in. Probably an easier way of doing this, but this is pretty straightforward and easy. If you have an easier way of doing this, put it on the comments below. Maybe it'll help out some other people that are looking to do the same thing. So basically now I'm just trying to get it in the hole. And over here is where I want to show you guys. 5 minutes. Fuck, that's a long video. So over there it's a little bit long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze it in. Just barely for the clip to just bite into that. Let's see. So I'm going to take my pliers and then I'm just going to squeeze it just a tad. And then it'll come out. I can show you guys over here that it's out enough to put the clip. And basically, let's see, camera position. There we go. Second clip. There you go. So now they're all in. Old guys can retire now. Let's clear this up for a second and close it. There it is. That is the arm support, strut, shock, whatever you call it. I'll put the Amazon link on the description. Once again, thanks for watching. 3rd gen 4runner. Very happy with this girl.